Welcome to our channel. Today, we're introducing a simple yet powerful method to help you prioritize your tasks and maximize productivity. The ABCDE method. Whether you're an executive managing a team or an employee juggling multiple responsibilities, knowing how to prioritize effectively is the key to staying on top of your workload. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use the ABCDE method to get the most important tasks done first and eliminate distractions. Let's get started. The ABCDE method is a time-tested strategy that helps you categorize tasks based on importance and urgency. Here's how it works. A. Tasks. These are the most important tasks, things that must be done today. Missing these tasks could lead to serious consequences. B. Tasks. These are important but not as critical. If left undone, they won't have immediate or severe consequences. C. Tasks. These are nice-to-have tasks. Completing them brings no real benefit, but they also don't cause problems if left undone. D. Tasks. These are tasks you can delegate to someone else. E. Tasks. These are tasks you can eliminate altogether because they don't add value. Using this method, you can quickly identify your highest priorities and avoid getting caught up in unimportant activities. Here's how you can apply the ABCDE method to your daily tasks. 1. Write down everything you need to do. Start by listing all your tasks for the day, whether big or small. 2. Assign each task a letter. For each task, assign a letter A, B, C, D, or E, based on its importance. Once your tasks are categorized, start with your A tasks. These are your top priorities. Only move to your B and C tasks once all the tasks are complete. Let's look at some practical examples of how the ABCDE method works. 1. For managers, suppose you have a critical project. An A task might be submit project proposal by the end of the day, because missing this deadline would have major consequences. B task could be review the team's weekly report, which is important but not as urgent. For employees, if you're balancing multiple tasks, an A task might be prepare for tomorrow's client presentation, while a C task might be update internal process documentation, which isn't time-sensitive and can be postponed. The key is focusing your energy where it matters most, and ensuring that high-priority tasks are completed before you move on to anything else. Why is the ABCDE method so effective? 1. Clarity. It gives you a clear roadmap for your day, helping you avoid decision fatigue. 2. Focus. By tackling your A tasks first, you ensure that you're always working on the most important things. 3. Efficiency. By delegating or eliminating unnecessary tasks, you free up time for the tasks that really matter. 4. Reduce stress. When you know exactly what to work on next, you'll feel more in control and less stressed. To get the most out of the ABCDE method, keep these tips in mind. 1. Review your list daily. Prioritize tasks every morning or the night before. Stay disciplined. Focus on completing your A tasks before moving to anything else. Delegate effectively. Make sure you actually delegate your D tasks to someone who has the time and skills to handle them. Be flexible. Life happens, and priorities can shift. Be open to reassessing your task list as needed and adjusting accordingly. With these simple adjustments, you can make the ABCDE method a part of your everyday workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and strategies that can help you and your team work smarter, not harder.